Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to add beneficiary to Webull account. So to get started with the guide, make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and also hit the subscribe button because it helps me out. So to get started with the guide on how you can easily add beneficiary to Webull account. So if you're on the Webull mobile app, log into your account, then tap the menu icon at the bottom right. Then from there tap Webull securities under brokerage account, then tap account tap on manage account, then from there tap beneficiary, from there tap add beneficiary, then enter the beneficiary full details and set the benefit percentage. For example, you can set up to 100%, then tap save or submit. Then if you're on the mobile version, if you're on the desktop version, you can also log into your account from there, then check your profile icon, click your profile icon at the top right, then click account, then from there then tap on account manage accounts, then click beneficiary, then from there click add beneficiary, then fill the beneficiary information, then click submit, and that's it. Find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.